Hey everybody, it's yours, Ox Bigley. Welcome back to another edition of the bamBOX Pop Culture Box. For those of you who do not know, bamBOX, the bamBOX is a monthly subscription service. They curate one-of-a-kind items from anything from uh, autographed prop replicas, unique hat pins, enamel pins, such as this lovely and wonderful Wild Stallions one I got from Fire Sale Box I did not so long ago. Today's one is the August box. Now, this is how it arrived to me. Thanks to the wonderful and lovely people of the United States Postal Service. And, I mean, it's almost like someone tried to wreck it and just take stuff out. So, hopefully that is not the case. And we can, you know what? Let's just start this from the bottom up, since that's already well opened. Ooh. X-Acto knife. There we go. Since that's already opened there, let's do this in reverse order than we normally would. Normally I would give you a free peek at this. Do it a little differently this time, this month. Come on. My little trinketies hanging around on my desk. So typically on the top is the cheat sheet. I am not going to look at that because I don't like to cheat. Thank you. It fell on the floor. So first up would be the art print, which is of the Flash. A lot of Flash stuff popping up around here. There wasn't anything Flash in the last one. The last one I did was the horror box. It's just that I did I did not do a video of this. It's kind of disappointing. Galactic Toys did a scratch and dent mystery box, and there was one of the superpower statues from Kotobukiya, which is a pretty nice statue, but it was the Flash. So okay, second hand. Ooh. Attention, Bammer. You will notice that there's... Hold on. I don't want to look at that yet. Ooh, hello. And what are you? A few things here. Hold on. What's this now? Who this is? Okay, licensed Batman mask. Has been hand-signed by Roger Craig Smith. Sorry, I don't know who it is. It voiced Batman in numerous video games and TV shows. It is signed during private signing session. Yabba dabba doo. So cool. I don't know who that is, but yay! I'll put that over to the side. Now there was a pin that was stuck in there, and this is more Bill and Ted stuff. This is Abraham Lincoln drinking a slushie. Or an icy. I'm assuming it's supposed to be an icy, because 7-Elevens didn't have Slurpees at the time, at least not to my knowledge. So, and ooh, I got something rolled up. Let me see. That, and we'll get onto a little note that was written there. What in Smeg's name is this? Is this something I can... Oh, let's get the X-Acto knife. And hopefully not kill whatever's in here. Ah, come on. Ah, don't kill myself either. I'm assuming this might be a... not an art print, but a it's a very well wrapped thing, whatever it is. Come on, good night. It's like trying to freaking open. This better be whatever this is. This thing better be like the most amazing thing ever for all this work. Feels like it's on a bit of parchment. Okay, then. This is pretty interesting. I'm reading it first. I'm sorry. This is a art print, if you will, of a Popeye comic. That is pretty interesting. So yeah, freeze frame that if you want to read it. It's a very nice quality photo. Very quality paper there. Now on to the little note here. Attention, Bammer. You will notice that there is an item on the spoiler sheet that is not in your box. Yes, let me look at that spoiler sheet. It fell on the floor somewhere. Ooh, here it is. Come here. Okay, good. So, okay. This is due to the quality of the product delivered not being up to our standards or of the boxes we want to send you. To make sure there were no further delays, we replaced the item with an extremely limited edition item. They are all different, numbered in smaller batches. These are from various comic strips and extremely collectible. We did throw some... this was something I read too. Some of the Rambo headbands into a couple of hundred boxes if you happen to be one of the select few. Of course, I don't know because mine could have had one, but I didn't. The bottom of the boxes. Anyway, please head to the Facebook page and join the contest there. So that's actually really cool. Now, see, here's the thing that actually kind of cheeses me off. I'll say it that way. The thing that was supposed to be in here is oh no, hold on. Man, we got the mask, got the art print, we got the the headband proper up. I'm guessing that's it. So they only put it in a few, but the only other thing here that catches my eye was the Phantasm signed Funko Pop, which would have been really cool. I don't know if that's what they were speaking about or what. I don't know, but that's that is the BAMBOX Pop Culture Box. I mean, you can't do wrong with Abraham Lincoln, even if he is drinking the slushy. It's flipping Abraham Lincoln. Although the Ziggy Piggy, these are the other ones. I'm sorry, I forgot to just show that. It was the Ziggy Piggy Napoleon Bonaparte. I almost said dynamite. Holy crap! And then, okay. I just remember this bit in the movie. Sigmund Freud holding a corn dog. Yeah. Sometimes a corn dog is just a corn dog. Other times it's wiener. It's coated in cornmeal and deep fried. Anyway, this is I don't know who this is. I gotta find out who. You know, hold on. I've not done this before. I'm doing this now. I'm going to pause, and I'm going to look up who this dude is and what he's actually done. So, be right back. Okay, so I did look it up. It's mostly like Batman video games and a couple of what I would consider smaller cartoons, Batman cartoons, animations that were done here and there. I do want to update something on the signed Funko Pop that was in the horror box. It was indeed my assumption was correct. It was indeed signed by the gentleman who the little person who was in a life-size Chucky outfit. Unbeknownst to me, he also did Howard the Duck. So that could have been one for the pop culture box. Had the same guy, he could have got two things right out of that. Anyways, just a suggestion. So if you want one of these for yourself, if you like what you saw here, honestly, probably this is the first time I've ever had to say that there's a bad item in here, and it's this. Now, it does say fan art print. Now I've tried to submit some fan art myself. That hasn't happened yet, but we'll see what happens. But of course, mine requires to be on black velvet, but it just has to be. But I get like there's like a whole like pop art minimalistic look to these. I know that like Target sells some DVDs every once in a while with covers that look like this based on, or Walmart does, I can't remember, and it's just kind of, it's not me. Okay, I'll be nice and say it's not me. Now if I wanted to be rude, I would say it's lazy, but I want to be nice. It's just not for me, because taste in art is subjective. I will say that. So there you go. Anyway, if you like what you saw in this box, and I'm going to go on to their thing and find out what exact item was that wasn't put in for quality assurance purposes. Figured that one out. Anyway, links in the description. Tune in next time. Look, here's the thing. I enjoy getting these. Judging from the views, you don't exactly enjoy me opening these on camera, but well, whatever. To each their own. If this is something you want to continue to see me do, let me know. And this may seem old hat at this point, but here's the ways that you would let me know. You upvote the video, you comment on the video that you did like it, and you subscribe to my channel. Now, if you want to have a debate on whether or not this is not the thing I didn't call it, then by all means we could do that. It's just that this kind of stuff, while this is a very reasonably priced subscription box, it's not something that I can financially sustain on a regular basis. I used to do Geek Fuel. They were great. Once a month, boom, 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 boom. They had a lot of really cool stuff. But then they started going to like once a quarter, and they were much bigger boxes, but they were like $50-$60 a go, and I'm like, maybe. I mean, heck, I would love to go back to them and try one of them out, but that's not going to happen without you guys. All three of you. So, and not counting my my relatives who watch this. So, anyway, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, whatever that may be. Bye.